Behind the design. EVA. This client needed a custom orthotic to fit a work boot and apply a number of intrinsic and extrinsic variables to address patient symptoms and identified risk factors. They wanted this orthotic to allow easy adjustment of the prescription based on the clinical effect. The aim of this orthotic was to fit the work boot and allow easy modification. They used the Dollar Custom Orthotic service. They selected an EVA shell from the shell material options in the detailed scripting section on the Dollar Custom prescription form. EVA is a popular material choice for orthotic shells. It is a shank-dependent material, direct milled from a block of EVA. It's available in density options from soft to hard, and allows for intrinsic and extrinsic shell prescription variables and is easily adjusted with a grinder. Orthotip. EVA, or ethyl vinyl acetate, is one of the most popular orthotic shell materials. It can be used as a thermoplastic material, heated and vacuum pressed to a positive cast in traditional manufacturing, or direct milled from a block in CAD/CAM. An EVA orthotic acts by resisting compression under load of the foot. It will appear with a flat plantar surface and a reinforced or thicker arch area both medially and laterally. EVA requires to be in full contact with the supporting surface of the shoe to maintain its shape or provide resistance to load, otherwise known as being shank dependent. Therefore, the attributes of the shoe, the internal surface area, the shape, and the stiffness will impact on the suitability for an EVA orthotic. Dispense of EVA orthotics can involve some grinding to ensure the orthotic sits flat and stable in the foot shoe bed. If you want the lab to do the work for you, send a template using the dollar grid for easy fitting direct from the packet. Mark the underskives or shape of the plantar surface grinds on a template and we'll do the hard work for you. The template is available at the link listed.